I'm in complete shock about this. It was raining. I mean, it was a river coming in.
Record rainfall across the metro, flooding homes and roads, trapping residents and leaving a massive cleanup behind. And tonight, we've learned that thousands of people may be without power for days. I'm John Holt.
I'm Bria Love. Fox 4 is working for you. We have team coverage across the metro surveying the damage left behind. And we'll start with Reagan Porter, who's live in Independence tonight. Reagan?
Fire departments in Kansas City and here in Independence have been hard at work, busy rescuing people from vehicles during that flooding. And here at this home, you can see pooling water in their driveway because of that flash flooding. In the back, their basement wall partially collapsed. Flash flooding wreaks havoc on this Independence home. It's now deemed a dangerous building. Michael Thomas sent us this video. He's lived here about 4 years. They heard a crash early Thursday morning and ran downstairs to find this.
Half the wall was in the basement. It just gushed. It was just, gushing. And we were just stunned, like, what do we do?
They found standing water in the basement and their washer and dryer crushed by dirt.
Mud everywhere, water coming in, and then the house started cracking.
Independence Fire says flash flooding caused the basement wall to partially collapse.
We had several calls of flooded basements where appliances would start smoking because of being underwater.
Battalion Chief of Fire Prevention Eric Michaels says crews worked dozens of calls due to flooding. Take a look at this video and picture the fire department shared. Michael says crews safely rescued several people stuck due to heavy rain and flash flooding. One person called for help here near Truman and Leslie. Leaves now line the fence, marking how high floodwaters got Thursday morning.
People in vehicles were out driving and thought they could get through the water, ended up getting stuck. I mean, we had several vehicles that were up to the windowsills, deep in water.
The Kansas City Fire Department says they safely rescued 23 people from the high water. As for damage on the Missouri side, the city of Independence says Hill Park and the splash pad at the Rotary Park saw some damage. In Parkville, Platt Landing Park Trail Loop, the Sullivan Nature Sanctuary, and Barkville Dog Park are closed. MoDOT says 23rd Street is closed east of I-435 due to flooding. Thomas says they're working with insurance in the meantime until their home gets fixed. Thomas says they're forced to find another place to live. John?
Reagan Porter in Independence. Reagan, thanks. Let's take a